What is up guys, my name is Talha and you are watching Gadgets Sphere. So in today's video we are going to talk about the new changes in the OxygenOS 12.1 and I'm just going to give you my overview about this OS. Should you actually upgrade your OnePlus 9R to this OxygenOS or not? So let's get started. So first of all, as you guys can see, this is the OxygenOS, and one thing which I like in this is the animations are now very fluid. It is actually better than the OxygenOS 11. Now I know many guys will get angry, like they will just comment on that OxygenOS 11 was just better, greater and smoother, but that is not true 100%, because in OxygenOS 12 they have actually improved the animations a lot. Just look at this app open animation. It's super smooth, simple and very fluid. So you can open any app and it is just gonna be super smooth. So that is one thing in OxygenOS 12 they have just greatly improved that. And the second thing which I like is you can now actually choose between two modes, which we didn't had in OxygenOS 11, and that is now you can actually have all your apps in the home screen, like even iPhones we actually do, like this, as you guys can see. Or you can actually just go in this more settings, as you guys can see, just tap on more and then you can tap on home screen mode, and in this home screen mode you can tap on drawer mode and tap on apply and then just tap on switch. So what will happen is now you don't have this full icons, you can just swipe up. You will get that drawer feel of the OxygenOS 11. So that's it also present. I mean, you have both of the modes to enjoy. I personally like the normal mode a lot more because I want to get that iOS feel like I already have in the iPhone 12 Pro. So yeah, as you guys can see, this one is a lot more better for me, but it's up to you. You can choose what you like. And then we have the under the hood optimizations. So in case you didn't realize by now, I was using in the battery, if you go in advanced settings, you have this advanced performance mode. I was already using that, but wait, there should be an icon in the status bar saying that you have enabled performance mode. Now you have the option to actually hide that icon. Just tap on notification and status, and here, as you guys can see, we have the status bar. In the status bar you can hide all the icons you don't want. So I have hidden this high performance mode icon, and as you guys can see, it's not here, right? So as soon as I enable this, just tap on that and there you go, we already have the icon. So these are the things which you can just toggle and change and just, you know, do it according to your liking. So that is one thing very nice. And then we have the OxygenOS 12 is also based on Android 12, as we all know right now. So it is having that Android 12 goodies, like we have the widgets. In the widgets you can select any widget you like without a doubt. It's super awesome, clean and simple. You can tap on this at a glance, got it, and done. Now you guys can see we have a widget. We can just tap on it and boom, there you go. We just don't have 2-3 widgets. Let me give you the example. It does not have that weather widget which we had in the nameless OS. It just doesn't have that. So that is one problem. And then we also don't have the original Android 12 clock style. This is the OnePlus style. It's normal, but you know, the Android 12 clock style was actually a little more good looking to the eyes, according to me, for me at least, to the very least. So yeah, this is not that great. So that is one thing. And then let's just talk about the cameras. Have they actually improved in the OxygenOS 12? The simple answer is no, they haven't, but there is a bit of optimization which actually have improved. So let me just try to show you. In the front camera, as you guys can see, I look terrible, that's for sure. But if I try to take one selfie with this, so let's just take a selfie, and as you guys can see, I just took the selfie, and then you guys can see we have actually in this one the HDR mode is actually a lot more better. I mean, you guys can see we have this a lot of shadows on my face, but still it's managing to keep the details of this black, you know, the tripod. So HDR does work and it works really nice. So that is one thing. And in the back camera, the best part I like about this back camera is in the video recording. Once you go in video recording, you have this option. Let me just show you. Okay, it's not going to focus because it's set in manual focus right now. Yeah, you have this option which is one of my favorite options, that is this focus mode, basically video portrait. It is actually really good, not even joking, lying, anything. It's just one of the best you can get in the market. So that is one thing. The video portrait is my favorite feature of all time in this. So that is one thing. And then overall the smoothness of the UI is very nice, and overall I kind of like this. And talking about the last part, that is the battery life, they have done a good job, not a best. Like right now, if I go, okay, let's just go in the digital well-being and show you the battery life. I mean the day I get. So yesterday I just installed this, so I got 1 hour 47 minutes. Day after, that is today, it's 5 hours 31 minutes. And I use a lot of YouTube, play a lot of games. So what would I say about the battery? It's good, not the best, just kind of average. So overall, should you actually upgrade it or not? So the conclusion is, if you want the ultimate smoothness, like you want your 9R to be the smoothest it ever has been, like ever, then this is the update to do. But if you don't want that kind of smoothness and you are happy with the way Oxygenos 11 is, because mind you, this is a lot different than 11. So if you go in, let's just change this style one more time to drawer mode, and let me show you what I'm talking about. If you go in this drawer mode, you will see everything looks a lot like Color OS, I mean Oppo's original OS. So yeah, this is one thing you need to really take care of. And other than that, it's super awesome, smooth update. I like it. What about you? Tell me your opinion in the comments below. But that's it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Stay happy. Peace out.